romantic to you, my very first makeup tutorial. I have to tell you guys, I went through so many trials and tribulations filming this video. I have been in a hellfire, but I'm proud to say I'm here for it all. I'm here for y'all. I just really hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm not going to speak anymore because I'm ready to get into this video. It will be a voiceover video though, because I don't know how you could do makeup and talk at the same time. I just can't do it. But I'm done speaking. Let's just get into this video. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look here, keep on watching.
So the first thing we're going to do is take my Ardell's dark brown brow pomade and a spoolie brush to feather my hairs down to the position I want them to fall. Then we're going to take this dab of Ardell's dark brown brow pomade, and we are going to use hair-like strokes to fill in the brows, because when you use hair-like strokes, your brows are more likely to come out more natural than bold. Taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal and a flat top concealer brush, I'm going to be shaping my brows. Now I always start at the beginning of my brow, and I use short strokes instead of long strokes to give me more control over shaping my brow to my desired shape. So here's a little tip: blending out the concealer at the bottom of your eye downwards and the top of your eyebrow upwards. It'll give you more space and more room to blend when you go in with your beauty blender. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base on my eyelid, mainly because I want the colors that I use for my eyeshadow to pop more. Some tape just for the corners of my eyes, so when I apply my eyeshadow, because I am doing a cut crease, it'll be sharp. Grabbing my Morphe 3502 palette and this fluffy eyeshadow brush, I am going to be taking this rosy kind of red shade and putting it above my crease, not exactly inside my crease, because this is going to be my transition shade. Other fluffy eyeshadow brush, the difference between this one is that it has a pointed tip for me to get into my crease precisely. Taking a large flat concealer brush, I'm going to be using this to cut my crease with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now, usually in your eye you have already creases like formed there already, so the tape is like your outline, so all you have to do is follow your crease and go along the tape. Here I'm going to be zooming in because I want you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about when I say that there is a crease already formed into your eye. So all you have to do is follow along this crease here and go along the tape once you get to the end of your eye. taking some setting powder, and this is the Maybelline Shine Free setting powder, and this is just to set the concealer that you cut your crease with. Now I'm going to be taking that dark shade of a brown, and I'm going to be going along the line of my crease just to make it look more defined. Now taking my Blush Nudes palette by Maybelline. This retails for about $7.99 at your local drugstore. I'm taking the blush pink color in there to go over the concealer that I used to cut my crease. Eyeliner brush and my black Radiance gel eyeliner pen. I'm going to be using the brush to dip onto the pen and create my winged eyeliner. Now winged eyeliner is really hard to achieve sometimes I'm not even perfect at it, but it is really easy to just follow the outer corner of your eye, and the tape was used for you to really get the feel of where your eyeliner should be winged. Taking my Wet n Wild lashes, I'm going to double stack these on top of each other for a more dramatic feel, and then to apply lashes directly to your lash line, you want to hold the mirror down below your chin so that you're looking down and you can see your entire eyelid. Taking my Wet n Wild Photofocus face primer, I tried to do the hearts and the smiley faces and stuff, but it just wasn't working out in my favor. So we're just going to rub this in, and I like this primer because it's tacky, but it's not too tacky. So let's rub this in and apply some foundation. Taking my True Radiance contour palette, which is worn out. Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to use what's left of my contour shade, and I'm going to contour my cheeks with it, and I'm going to contour my nose and everything in between. Taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal again, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and on my chin and my T-zone and down the bridge of my nose. This is to give us a brighter look under our eyes, and so that we look more woken up. If you're tired, apply some concealer under your eyes and you will look alive, honey. Taking my Maybelline Shine Free powder, I'm going to be using that to set the areas that I used to conceal and brushing it away with my powder brush. If you feel like you look whiter, you can take the lighter shade from the contour palette and just go over the areas that you dust away the powder from. This is the fun part, taking this Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighting powder. Look at that glow. This is the best. It's like $3.99 at your local drugstore. It's amazing. Just look at that glow. Just watch. Yes, bitch. Okay. Yes. So that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you guys loved this rosy dozy look that I did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Yeah. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye.